Okay, so there are two $1 coin and three $2 coin in John's pocket. There are three $1 coin and one $2 coin in Nick's pocket. John and Nick randomly take out one coin from their pockets. Okay, so here we're going to find out the probability that the two coins are the same value down. Okay, so to find it out here, let's go try to break it down then. Now, let's look out for John and Nick's then. Okay, so looking out here, they have to find out probably that two coins are in the same value. So let's go find out here. That's going to be about, let's break it down. Then for each of the value here we have for John's pocket then, John's pocket, there's about two or one. Okay, coins then, right? Now, so that's going to be about total for that one, two and there are about three and two then of it. So that's going to give us about and $2 for that one. So three and two, three plus two, that's going to be about a total of five then. Now let's go try to write out the probability for each of them here. So we have John at probability of John's picks about, let's see out here, John picks about $1. Now that's going to about, there's about two of them, two two coins of them, so that's going to be about 2 out of 5 then. Now for the other one, if probably if John picks another $2, that's going to be giving out here as, let's drag it out a little bit longer there. Okay, John's pocket then, that's going to give us about, then here, about 3 out of 2. Oh, 3 out of 5, not 2 then. 3 out of 5 then. Okay, so I think that we got that one right here. Now for the next one, let's look out for Nick. Nick has three $1 and one $2 coin. So let's write out here we have a Nick's pocket. Now looking out for Nick's pocket, there's about three of one oh, of $1 and one of $2 then. $2. Okay, one. So that's going to be giving out about here. So there's about three of $1, and we're going to minus that one. That's going to be about 4 coins. So we can write out here as 4, and which 3 plus 1 equals to 4. Okay, so that's the total for that. Now let's go trying to find out here for the probability for each of them. So next pocket is about $1 then. Oh, wait. $1, in which that's going about, looking out here, there's about three of them, that's out of 4. Now for that one, probability for that one is next pocket with about $2 then. That is 1 out of 4. Okay. Now, since we have all those probabilities, now let's try to answer out the given for number 1. Now, the number 1 question states that find the probability that the two coins are the same value. Okay, so let's look out here. We have the probabilities for each of them. $1, that's going to be about look 2 out of 5, and 3 out of 4 then. So let's write it down here. What we have then, let's say we have both about the same then. So we have $1 for that one. About $1. Oh wait, $1, in which we have 2 and 5 and 3 and 4. So we're going to cross multiply that one. That's going to give us about, looking out here. So the answers down then is about 2 times 4, and that's going to give us then here as 20. Wait, cross multiply for each of here. That's 20, and next one would be 20. Okay, now let's try down the shortcut for that one. So that's going to be about 6 out of 20. It's a little bit of time. Now moving on for the next one. Here we have both about $2. Now here, looking out for the answers we have, that's going to give us for John with 3 out of 5 and 1 out of 4. Okay. Now let's write it down here. 1 out of 4 times again. That's going to give us about equals to 3 out of 5 then. Okay. Now
Okay.
to multiply that one, then that's going to give us a with 3 out of 20 then. Okay, so we have all the answers down here for the both of them. But now the second question here is find the probability that the coin taken out from John's pocket it has a larger value. Now, oh, okay, wait. So the first one is two coins are the same value. So let's see out here. We're going to find the percentage for each of them. Here we have that's going to be 6 over 20 plus 3 out of 20. That's going to be 9 out of 20 then for A. Now for the B then is that find the probability that the coin taken out from John's pocket has a larger value. So to find out here, let's try to guess out, not guess, to solve out for the probability for that one. We have probability of, in which we have probability of John picks about $2 times the probability of Nick picks about $1 then. Now looking out for the probabilities we have here, that's going to be 3 out of 5 times 3 out of 4. That's going to be about 9 out of 20 then. Okay, so the answer for that one is 9 of 20, or the final answer is that 9 over 20 or 0.45 or 45%. Okay, so we're done